Yo, what's up everybody? We're back at the shop. Hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and we're gonna keep it going. So I got most of the rear suspension in. Waiting on my coilovers from Maxim Motorsports, and that's basically what my whole suspension's gonna be. And then we're almost getting ready to put the motor and trans together to put the motor in. So let's get right to it. Give you a shot underneath. Maxim Motorsports suspension. The Panhard bar in. Got their 3-piece brake line kit with the braided lines. Also got the braided lines for the front. Got the Ford Racing rear end cover, 31 spline axles. And that's the torque arm installed. The Panhard bar. And here we got the transmission. Got it going with the T56. Got the clutch and flywheel set up with all ARP bolts. Got my sweet shifter handle. Now I think it's an RXT dual disc clutch. It's used, but we're gonna see how it works out. You got the motor right here. Probably have to take off the headers and the intake. Move it around. And then we're gonna bolt up the Maxim Motorsports K member. Got their K member and A-arms. Got the PA Performance mini starter for the modular motors. And when you're putting this together, don't forget to put this on. Got the new pilot bearing, the flywheel bolts, the clutch bolts. Gonna be bolting up the T56. Now it's out of an 03, 04 Cobra with the Stifler's cross member. Still gotta do some wiring up to the reverse lockout solenoid, the speedo, the track shifter we got for the short throw. See the safety loop right there. We got the hydro boost in. Got the solenoid right there for the power. So there you have it. I got a lot of work to do. And a whole bunch more stuff that I got going on. So, till next time, folks. Peace out.